In this video, I am going to show you how to download website from Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is my website on Wix. So I have tried a lot to download this website. But after trying a lot, I searched it on Google and I found out this page, downloading a page from your site, where it says that it is not possible to download a Wix site or any of its pages as the editors need to be in constant connection with our servers. Also, it shows that Wix doesn't support the exporting of files created using Wix to external destination or host. All Wix creations are hosted on Wix servers. So you can use the print screen option to take a screen capture of your site pages. What else you can do is that go to your Wix account, click on the three dots button next to your website and then click on transfer site, and in this way you can easily transfer your Wix website to another account. Currently this is the only solution available. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.